Hello, everybody. I've been cleaning the radio room up some. I felt bad the other day because my radio room was trashed. You can tell I've been cleaning a little bit, straightening up. And this is screen door molding, wooden strips with little tacks in it. I was wanting to show you something else here too. The planetarium with the sun and the different planets. I just want to show you something else here. This is a living room now. I think that looks pretty good. But that's it. I was just wanting to show the radio room since I've been cleaning it up today. I got off my duff and cleaned the house a little bit. I still gotta wash the dishes, so I gotta get off here and go in the kitchen and wash the dishes. I don't have a dishwasher. I wash them by hand. Everybody have a great night. 73s and good DX from KE4 BFG. Radioactive. I'm out of here. 73s.